Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. How are you all? Hope you all doing well. It took me a while to upload a new video. I was quite busy for the past few days. Anyway, in today's tutorial, let me show you how you can make a gradient text effect using Canva like these examples. We're here in Canva and there's a blank template ready in here. I will use presentation template, but if you want you can use Facebook or Instagram post as you like. First step is to go to elements and search for gradient color. Okay, and then let's choose one gradient color background from here. Filter to graphics and then choose the one you like from here. I want to use this one and then set it as a background. Let's change the title in here to gradient text effects. Second step, guys, is to type the word you want to apply gradient text effect. Control T on your keyboard, make it big. Then you can choose the font you like. You can choose the bold font or it's up to you. And then let's say smile, make it big. All right, and then you can position it wherever you want. Then make your text color to white. Go to the transparency. You can set it to 50, 40 or 30. Let's set it to 45. And then the next step is to download this one and re-upload it to Canva. Go to share, download, then make sure that the file type is PNG and go to download. Let's add a page here, a blank page in here. Okay, the next step is to drag it again to Canva and drag it to the blank page we have and remove the background of this image. So in removing background of this image, we need a Canva Pro. So if you want to try Canva Pro for 30 days for free, you can use my link on the description below to register. You can cancel it anytime, hassle-free. And if you find this video helpful and want to get updated on my latest tutorial, please hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, turn on the bell icon to get you updated. So the last step, guys, is to edit the image and then go to the background remover. And there you go, your gradient text effect is done. Click on apply. Next step is to download this without background. Okay, bonus tip, guys, is if you want this to be more bright, in the adjust section, click on see all. You can play around with the brightness, with the contrast, and with the saturation and anything. Alright, put the brightness to 10. Okay, then you can play around with the contrast and then the saturation. There you go. Let's download it without background. Go to share, download. Make sure that the file type is PNG. Click on transparent background. Select the page 2 only. Click on done and download. So this is the finished product of our gradient text effect tutorial. That's all for today. I hope you learned something new. You can share the video so that others will learn too. Thank you very much for all your support and watching my tutorials. Please help me, guys, to reach 2 million subscribers. No, 2K subscribers. So for those who haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button below and turn on the bell icon to get you updated on my new video. Thank you very much. See you and God bless everyone.